The top 10 skills required to succeed in the field of data science in India, as discussed in the previous text, are programming skills. Proficiency in programming languages such as Python and R, which are widely used in data science, is crucial. Statistical analysis. A strong foundation in statistics and mathematics is essential for understanding data patterns, drawing insights, and making predictions. Machine learning. Understanding and applying machine learning algorithms is vital for building predictive models and extracting insights from data. Data visualization. The ability to present data visually in a meaningful manner using tools like Tableau, Power BI, or Python libraries is important for effective communication of insights. Big data technologies. Familiarity with tools like Hadoop, Spark, and Hive enables efficient processing and analysis of large datasets. SQL database skills. Proficiency in SQL is important for managing and querying databases. Domain knowledge. Having domain knowledge in specific industries helps data scientists derive actionable insights and tailor solutions accordingly. Communication. Strong communication skills are necessary to convey complex concepts and insights to technical and non-technical stakeholders. Continuous learning. Staying updated with the latest tools, techniques, and algorithms is crucial in the rapidly evolving field of data science. Problem solving. Data scientists should possess strong problem-solving skills to address complex data-related challenges and find innovative solutions. By focusing on developing these skills and staying updated with industry trends, aspiring data scientists can enhance their prospects and succeed in the field of data science in India.